Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel JobsWithShubham. So today I'm going to provide a very good opportunity. So those who are looking for QA engineer job as an entry level, you can apply for this job. This is the very good opportunity. And अभी तक मेरा channel सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ऐसे ही daily job notification update के लिए. So let's go and start the video. So this is the page of Qualcomm and it's a hiring for automation engineer for Python or C for Hyderabad location. So let's talking about this job area and let's talking about this job summary. So as a leading technology innovation, Qualcomm is pushed the boundaries and the what's possible to enable next generation experience of drive digital transformation to help the create of a smarter connected future to all. As a Qualcomm software engineer, you will be design, develop, create, modify and validate embedded cloud-based software application or a specialized utility program, launch cutting-edge and world-class product that meet with the needs. So let's talking about this. Those who have done a bachelor degree of engineering, information system, computer science or related field can apply. And job description is that automation engineer. Those who have a 0 to 3 year of experience can apply. Skill set like those who have known Python, C or C++ can apply. And location will be the Hyderabad. And strong coding in C, C++ and develop test application and fix test application is SW software box, write test code and the framework to software module, also fix the existing framework box. And Python scripting knowledge of automation must should be familiar with GT performance version control and Android knowledge will be added advantage. And all this thing you have to know. And a strong problem solving ethical skill, and all this thing you have to know. And how to apply for the job. So you have to just click here, apply now, and the application page will open. So you can go and check about this. Moving to the next job is coming from Dialpad and it's a hiring for associate QA engineer for Bangalore location. So let's talking about this team. So Dialpad is, so let's talking about this role. So as an associate QA engineer, your role primarily involved to ensure the quality and validation of the functionality and workflow of the Dialpad product verticals. Your responsibility will include test creation, execution, function testing, bug reporting and tracking. This role also expect collaboration and communication with the global team in the internal or cross-functional. So let's talking about this what we'll do. So you'll do test planning and execution, bug tracking and reporting, regression testing and collaboration and documentation. And skills required for those who have done a bachelor degree of computer science, information technology or related field can apply. And the technical skills like basics understanding of software testing concept, 1 or 2.5 years of experience of manual testing, familiarity with the manual testing process and methodology. And communication, those who have a strong verbal and detailed communication skill, ability to articulate issue with provide conscious report can apply. And all these things you have to know. And how to apply for the job. So once you scroll down, so first of all you have to just fill all this form, and after that you have to just submit the application. So this is a very simple process. You can go and check about this. So in this video we have talked about two different job role, what is the job role and how to apply for the job. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to make sure because daily I'm posting new job opportunity here. So thanks for watching. Till the goodbye and